Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry ice cream. You will need 375 grams of strawberries, 95 grams of caster sugar and 250 millilitres of double cream. Firstly, you want to remove the stalks and chop up your strawberries into quarters. Then you want to mash your strawberries. So I did this with a fork, but you can use a blender or a food processor, anything like that you've got, but I want to show you that you can just do it with a fork and a bowl and a little bit of patience. Once you've mashed your strawberries, then you want to add in your sugar. Then in a separate bowl, you want to whip your cream into a thick consistency, but you don't want it to go to peaks. Now for this I did use my electric whisk, just because I really can't whisk cream by hand. But if you want to whisk your cream by hand, by all means you can do, but the one bit of equipment I would say that's worth buying is my whisk only cost me I think about £10, and it's worth buying because it is the one job in the kitchen that is so hard to do by hand. But you want to get your cream to a thick consistency but not peaks, so when you spoon into the mixture it leaves a trail behind but it won't hold its shape. Then mix in your strawberry mix. Don't stir it in, try and fold it in, this way you will keep the air in your cream. And put this into a freezable container. Then pop this in the freezer for 2 hours. After 2 hours you want to take it out the freezer and give it a mix and a stir around. This should help stop any ice crystals forming into the ice cream. Then pop back in the freezer, freeze for at least another 4 hours or until you want it. And there you have it. That's how you make strawberry ice cream.